Hello students, today we'll be marking plains of India. You can see I've used green color for marking the plains. So you can also do in the same way. Over here you can see in the west, this area is the western coastal plain. This area is called as western coastal plains, shaded green, and label it by using black pen and write western coastal plains. Now this is the eastern coastal plain. This whole is called eastern coastal plain, shaded green and labeled by using a black pen, eastern coastal plains. This part is called Gangetic Plains. Ganga and its tributaries flow here. So shaded green and labeled by using black pen. This area is called Gangetic Plains. This is the most fertile area because of the silt brought down by the rivers. Now this is river Godavari. So remember this point near river Godavari. And below this is river Krishna. So almost center part of it, these 2 points you can see. So this area is called Konkan Coast. This area is called as Konkan. This part is called as Konkan Coast. And this is river Kaveri. So just mark one point near it. And then this part between these 2 points is called Kanara Coast. That's how you have to mark it on a map. Kaveri river, just mark a point here and then mark one point at the extreme end. So from here till this part is the Malabar Coast. This is Malabar Coast. Again, just to remember, Kaveri river, so make a marking here and you mark it here near river Krishna, this mark. So from here to this point, this is the Coromandel Coast. This is Coromandel Coast. And this is river Godavari. Again, just near it, make a point marking like this. And this is your river Mahanadi. Just near that, make a marking. Now from here to this point, okay, this area is called as Nadan Sarkars. This area is called as Nadan Sarkars. I hope it is clear to you and you will be able to do the map. God bless you all.